What is Windows indexing?
Windows indexing is a background process that scans files, folders, and emails on your PC. It creates an index, similar to a digital catalog, so the system can find your files quickly. Instead of searching entire drives, Windows looks up the index, greatly reducing search times and boosting efficiency.
Benefits of optimizing indexing.
Fine-tuning indexing options can significantly enhance both search speed and accuracy. When your index is well managed, you spend less time waiting for results and are more likely to find exactly what you need. Optimized indexing reduces strain on your system while delivering faster, more relevant search outcomes.
Customizing indexing locations.
You can choose which folders and drives Windows includes in the index. Open indexing options from the control panel, then click Modify. Uncheck folders that aren't important to exclude them, or add essential locations like Documents, Pictures, and Custom Data folders. Customizing ensures only relevant files are indexed for faster performance.
Fine-tuning file types and contents.
Not all file types need to be indexed. In Indexing Options, click Advanced and then the File Types tab. Here, you can select which file extensions are included and whether to index only file properties or content as well. This saves resources and allows for more targeted searches when looking for specific information inside files.
Troubleshooting and rebuilding the index.
If searches become slow or inaccurate, try rebuilding the index. In Indexing Options, go to Advanced, then click Rebuild. This process can take time, but often resolves issues with outdated or missing entries, ensuring your searches remain fast and reliable. Regular maintenance helps keep your search experience at its best.